Workshop for members, unlocking community and learning. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the English language and unlock its secrets together. Today, we're exploring a fascinating phrase, workshop for members. This phrase packs a lot of meaning and opportunity, especially in communities and learning environments. Let's break it down and see why it's so important. First off, let's dissect workshop for members. A workshop is a meeting or a series of meetings where a group of people engage in intensive discussion or activity on a particular subject or project. Workshops are hands-on and interactive, making them an excellent way for participants to learn new skills or improve existing ones. When we say the workshop is for members, it means that the workshop is exclusively available to individuals who are part of a specific group, club, or organization. Membership could be based on various criteria, such as paying a fee, belonging to a certain community, or having a particular skill level. So, why might an organization choose to host a workshop for members only? There are several reasons. 1. Exclusivity. Limiting access to members can make the workshop more appealing, as it feels like a special privilege. 2. Customization. When workshops are for a specific group, they can be tailored to the members' interests and skill levels. 3. Community building. These workshops often help in strengthening the bonds between members, fostering a sense of belonging and collaboration. Participating in a workshop for members comes with a host of benefits. Skill development. These workshops are designed to help you learn new skills or improve upon your existing ones in a supportive environment. Networking. They provide a great opportunity to meet and interact with other members who share similar interests. Feedback and support. You can get direct feedback on your work from peers and facilitators, which is invaluable for growth and improvement. In conclusion, workshops for members are a powerful tool for any community or organization, offering exclusive opportunities for learning, networking, and personal development. We hope this video has shed some light on why these workshops are so valuable and how you might benefit from joining one. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Keep learning and exploring.